Developed specifically for the UK's automotive aftermarket, Carbon Clean UK offers a unique engine decarbonising system that promises to not only improve vehicle emissions and performance, but also provides garage support material to ensure workshops and mobile mechanics can successfully sell the service to their customers and benefit from the profit opportunities available. To find out more, GarageWire went to SN Auto House in Ilford, Essex to see Carbon Clean's CC16 machine in action. It's widely understood that carbon buildup can lead to the loss of power, increased fuel consumption and increased engine component wear. The technology that sets the CC16 machine apart is its use of electrolysis. Using just tap water, the technology breaks water down into oxygen and hydrogen molecules. These are then blown into the engine as an oxyhydrogen gas mixture to accelerate combustion and clear residues. We programmed the machine to the requirements of the Volvo C30 1.8 petrol and connected an emergency shutdown protection system to the car's battery, a safety feature which is triggered should the engine stall. The machine's gas mixture is fed through a hose which we insert via the engine's air intake pipe. We then started the engine and left it to idle. With all of its safety features, Carbon Clean UK say the process itself is fully automated and leaves the technician free to get on with another job. An emissions test before and after the service revealed that the half-hour treatment had significantly reduced carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons. What's more, a test drive demonstrated a noticeably smoother drive and better throttle response, improvements that garage customers are likely to notice. The technology itself has been proved in numerous tests, but it's the support that Carbon Clean has to offer and the revenue potential that's particularly attractive. Carbon Clean say just 4 cleans a day could generate a yearly revenue of more than £75,000. Businesses can start exploiting the profit opportunities either as a Carbon Clean centre for workshops that require the brand, marketing and network support, a Carbon Clean engineer for mobile mechanics, or a Carbon Clean business for workshops that require just the machine. For more information about Carbon Clean or to book a demonstration, go to carbon-clean.co.uk.